Buongiorno tutti! My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Valfortore Cultural Center Cookbook. Today we will be baking chocolate chip cookies della Nonna from the kitchen of Anna Fiscarelli. For this recipe, you will need shortening, vanilla extract, baking soda, flour, sugar, chocolate chips, salt, eggs, and brown sugar. For the first step, you want to cream your shortening with your white sugar and brown sugar until everything is properly combined. Immediately following creaming your sugar with your shortening, you're going to add your eggs, beating them in one at a time. At that point, you're going to also add your vanilla extract. Once everything is properly combined, you're going to add your flour, your baking soda, your chocolate chips, and your salt. At this point, you can prepare your cookie sheet. The recipe calls for it to be ungreased. You can also, if you're a little nervous about that, put parchment paper. At this point, you're going to put large spoonfuls of your dough on your cookie sheet, and you're going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes until the edges have browned a bit. During the first step of your recipe, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now is time for the taste test. These cookies honestly smell amazing, and they have a bit of a crunchy outer texture, so we'll see how they taste. Wow, this is the epitome of a chocolate chip cookie. Crunchy on the outside, just chewy and soft and wow on the inside. And the flavor is very mild, so you can really taste the chocolate. And for me, it is the necessary element of a chocolate chip cookie. To go along with my cookies, I'm having a glass of chocolate milk, Swiss chocolate milk. For those of you who want to try this recipe, you will find it below in the description box. As well, feel free to follow me on A Taste of Roseto Valfortore on my Instagram page, where you'll find footage, behind-the-scenes footage, videos, photos of the entire cooking process. Like this video, comment, subscribe, let me know if you've tried this recipe. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, buon appetito! What was that? Someone's phone went bing, bing. It's okay. Be quiet, people. Are you taping? Yeah. No! Shh! For those of you who want to, I can't talk.